to show you a couple of the tools and different question types that we're going to have on our test this year at the end of the year. Right. First of all, I want you to see the toolbar up here. It may look a little different depending on the question. Right. The highlighter tool you'll recognize from the writing assessment. You can click on that, and when you do, right, you can just highlight whatever text you want. So as you're reading, if you think something's important, you want to be able to look back at it. Also, if you want to be able to read the whole passage, use this arrow here to see just the passage. Okay. So this is a different type of question here. You're going to have to drag and drop. Place the incidents in order in which they occur. So I'm going to have to grab this and put it there, grab this one, and I'm going to put them in the correct order, or whatever the question asks, but this one's asking for order. Okay. You can see down here that you can reset or you can undo. If I want to undo one and move it somewhere else, right? Or I can put it back down here and move it around like that. All right. Don't forget also, you can zoom in if you need or zoom out. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Press next. All right, a lot of the questions this year are going to ask you to pick 2 answers. You really have to read the question to make sure that you know what you're doing here. So you're going to click 2 multiple choice questions. All right, write 2 answers and press next. Here, select the 2 quotes from the passage that most clearly support the authors. Again, you're seeing 2, all right? And these are pieces of text that you're going to be selecting. Now, let's say you're someone who likes to mark out answers, and this is too many choices. Use this big red X, and if I say, I know that it's not this, it's definitely wrong. I know it's not this, I'm just choosing between these, right? That's how you can do that there. If you want to unmark something, just click on this again, like that. Okay, so if that helps you, use that tool this year as well. All right, select the portion of the text that best expresses the author's main argument. Sometimes they're going to give you text and you have to click on it. So maybe I think it's this. Oh, I've changed my mind. It's not going to let you do that. You have to actually deselect first by clicking on it again. Then click on what you want and press submit. And we'll have a lot of part A and part B questions. 2-part questions where you're going to have to really think through what you're doing here. This is a lot of times like when the teacher asks you, what's the central idea and how did the author support it in the text? That's what this is asking here. So you'll click your multiple choice part, but when you scroll down, select the detail that best supports the author's claim. So up here you're saying what the claim is, and then you're going to find text that backs that up. All right. So those are some of the new tools that you're going to use.